Names of members of the Joint Operation Command and Service Chiefs who were present yesterday at Precabe Farm were being called by President Emerson Mnangagwa for the third time since last month. Kuzarapena mashoko okuda pangwa inai kuchilebeliwa nekumaka options, and these are the second phase of generals vatichazoona vakutsakatika munguva pfupi ichatevera. Tizanapinda mashoko nemawarnings opone vanhu, but at the meantime we are going to name the individuals vauya panguva ino vachinemewa kuti they were present at the Precabe Farm. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pa X endo achimboposta these pictures amuri kuona these members of the JOC vari ku Precabe pabudanyira chiti National JOC current serving generals pays visit to President Idi Mnangagwa's Precabe Farm today, meaning yesterday, Sunday. These are Commander Defense Forces General Comrade Matatu, Commander Zimbabwe National Army Lieutenant Comrade General Tafmani, Commander Air Force of Zimbabwe Air Marshal Comrade Njede, Commissioner General of Zimbabwe Republic Police Comrade Mutamba, Commissioner General of Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services Comrade Chiwovu, accompanied by their staff officers. Security forces are commanded by these office occupants. $500,000 each. That's the price for making the presidency term grab and crushing every protest Zimbabweans mount against this constitutional mutilation. Toma developments ari kuda panguva ino muri yeZimbabwe. Sekunzwa zvamanzwa zvitoko panguva ino kuti aiwa vakomana vakuru kwenzi vari kupuwa mari, and panguva ino kwanemewa all the offices nemastaff members who were present. Mbudza mafunguro enyu, shoko ramungapa kune these generals panguva ino. Pinai comment section yedu dzafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.